Today, I'm revealing the results. I've been using this Korean beauty device for more than 8 weeks now. Is it really working? How can it possibly work? And what's the secret? Continue watching to see my results and important advice on how to use this device in a safe way. I have to warn you though, I have not used any filters, so you will see real, mature skin and wrinkles. Hi friends, I'm Dr. Linda Brand, medical doctor with years of experience with skin concerns and treatments of these. I have thousands of hours as a GP and ER doctor from abroad, where dermatologists only treated the most severe cases, so hence treated hundreds of dermatology cases throughout the years. So this is the Medicube AGE-R Booster Pro. It has 4 modes of 5 minutes each. Most of them can be used daily, some of them up to 3 times daily. I'll give you a short presentation right now, but if you would like to see a more detailed talk on this, please watch this video. The first mode, air shot mode, it's electric needle technology that forms micro holes and improves pore elasticity. In the booster mode, it utilizes electroporation, creating temporary fine holes for the maximized absorptions of active ingredients, like your serum. In the microcurrent mode, it works by sending low-level electrical currents into your skin, and that are designed to be similar to your body's own natural electrical signals. The main goal is to stimulate both your skin cells and the muscles underneath. In the DermaShot mode, it stimulates sagging skin and care for muscles to create a firmer facial contour by applying mid-frequency EMS or electric muscle stimulation, optimized for facial muscles to stimulate muscles that have lost elasticity. I know that some of you might be a bit intimidated by this mode, but later on I'll give you advice on where to use it and what areas to avoid to be on the safe side. And if you have any questions about any of the modes, please comment below or message me. I have a few points here to sum up how the Medicube AGE-R Booster Pro is working. It gives better product absorption thanks to the booster modes, electroporation, and potentially the air shots microchannels could play a huge part. Improved circulation and cell energy from the microcurrent modes, microcurrent technology can definitely contribute. Increased collagen and elastin production is key. This is stimulated by microcurrents, EMS in DermaShot, electric needles, AirShot, and especially the red and green LED light. Muscle toning and facial contouring from the EMS and microcurrent modes can indirectly make you glow more. Pore refinement and improved skin texture from the AirShot mode, along with the clarifying effects of blue LED light, can lead to smoother skin. So let's take a look at how I use the device now after 8 weeks and how it has changed for me. I'll give you some important advice on how to use this device in a safe way. I use the following modes, 1 to 2 times daily. The booster mode and the microcurrent mode. I'm using DermaShot mode 4 to 5 times weekly and AirShot mode 3 times weekly. Start out on the lowest energy levels in all modes and build it up as you progress. Going up to level 3 can go over just a few days, but use more time from level 3 and up to level 5. And please stop at the level you can tolerate. You don't have to go all the way up to level 4 or 5 if it's really uncomfortable for you. I have to admit that level 5 can be a little bit heavy in some of the modes. Medicube has some great videos to show you how to use the device, but let me show you some more adjustments I've done as I learned to know the device and how to use it. Let's start with the booster mode. I'm using this every day, sometimes twice daily, in the morning and in the evening. What they recommend on their website from Medicube is that you do circular motions with this one and same circular motions back. And I see that, why they should do that, to cover more area, I guess. But also I like to do from this part and going up to get more of the effect upwards. In the microcurrent mode, their routine is to go this from the middle of the face and to the outer part of the face in this motion. And that's really good. I'm doing that too. But then for the nasolabial fold, I'm doing a technique where I'm kind of try to go into the fold and whip it up. Into the fold and whip it up. And then I also like to treat these lines by starting down here and going up. Starting down here, going up. And the same all the way back. And also from the middle of the chin and out and up. In the derma shot mode. And I know some people are a little bit intimidated by this. It is stimulating your muscles. I know some people don't even use this mode. I use it, but I think you should take into consideration what you are treating. You have to think about it. I have one area I would avoid, and that is right here. This is for the depressor muscle. Try not to treat this area. The Medicube is showing you to do this under the eyes and up here, and you will feel the contraction of the muscle of the upper eyelid. What I like to do is I'm doing this around the eye, and then I'm doing kind of the same thing as I did in microcurrent. I'm trying to keep it away from the mouth and put it upwards. You will feel when you're coming up here that you have some muscles and muscle contractions, and that's fine. These are fine, but don't go further down, don't go down to the jaws. Keep away from that. So just keep yourself in this area. I don't use it in my forehead, but I do use it on the neck as they recommend it. When we get older, we get these marionette lines. We want the muscles to keep the mouth upwards so that we are smiling a little bit more. So if we are using this on the depressor muscle, you get the opposite effect. You're strengthening this muscle that is actually pulling down. So we want to strengthen the muscles that are pulling up, right? So the earshot mode, this is a really interesting one. This is like a micro needling session without the needles. This is electrical micro needling kind of way, and it will make small holes in your skin to better absorb your products. I use this 3 times weekly. It's really easy. You can just slide it over your face, but what is important is that you have to hold it at an angle. It's actually the borders that are giving the shock. You just keep it at an angle and slide it over your face, and you will feel it. It's kind of like a short sting. I have to warn you, this will burn your hair. So if you have small hair in your face, you will get a burnt scent from this. Nothing to worry about. It's just like burning off the small hairs you have. And you can feel it. You can hear it actually. But it's fine. No harm. The earshot mode has to be done on a clean and dry skin. That's important. And then when you have finished it, you will feel that your skin is a little bit red. And when you are putting on serums afterwards, you will feel it. It will sting a little bit. But it's fine. It's safe. And I have to say that now, after using it for this long, I must say that the microcurrent mode is my favorite. Medicube have an app that make it easy to set up your own schedule. Now over to what you are all here for. The results. Overall, I see a general improvement of my skin. I have smaller pores, more even skin, glow is back, improvements in finer lines and wrinkles, and maybe also smaller jaws. In these before and after pictures, you can see the changes. So to be honest, I think it has done huge difference for me. Let me give you my final conclusion. The Medicube AGE-R Booster Pro brings together a bunch of well-known skincare technologies like electroporation, microcurrents, EMS, electrical needles, and lead therapy. And each one has a scientific basis for the benefits it claims to offer, from helping your valuable skincare products absorb better to stimulating collagen, toning facial muscles, and refining your pores. The device offers a multi-attack approach to achieving the sought-after glow. The science suggests that these technologies, when you use them correctly and consistently, can indeed help improve your skin's health and appearance. While at-home devices might not give you the exact same intensity as professional treatments, I must say the Booster Pro seems to be a pretty sophisticated tool for those who are serious about taking their skincare to the next level by using this science in their daily routine. If you are interested in trying this device, I have a link in the description box below. And thank you for supporting this channel. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe for more content like this, and leave your comments, questions below. Take a look at this video next, or take a look at the playlist right here for more like this. See you in the next one.